Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is John Cernuska. Welcome to MarineMax Fort Myers. Today we're going to preview this beautiful 210 Montauk by Boston Whaler. She's a complete package, boat, motor, and trailer. We'll start towards the back here, the aft of the boat. A beautiful Mercury 150 4-stroke horsepower. Moving forward, we've got some nice comfortable jump seats with seat cushions and removable backrests. That will open up 2 rod holders on each side of the transom as well. Moving forward, we have a great helm seat here slash storage underneath as well. You can see that's pretty good size storage. Keep plenty of items in there. You'll notice the backrest is also rear facing, so you could face aft of the boat, or if you're driving, you can use it as a leaning post. In addition, there's a couple more positions. This is all the way in the back position. At the helm, we have a couple different things, or several different things happening. Plenty of cup holders, nice gauge cluster, stainless steel bezels, handful of switches here for all your accessories. You'll notice a Fusion RA70 NSX model, which you can stream your Bluetooth, MP3, JL audio speakers, so it's going to sound really good. We have a nice touchscreen Raymarine GPS chart plotter unit, as well as a Raymarine port for your software card. Some storage underneath the console, access on the port side. On the starboard side, you've got a little bit of tackle area storage as well. If we look up, you'll see a beautiful navy blue bimini top sunshade with nice stainless steel rails, keeping her nice and tight to the boat. And then you'll notice rails not only at the aft, midship, and then obviously all the way forward, so she's nice and safe for the young ones, as well as something to hold on to. Moving forward, we have a lovely cooler seat with a seat cushion here, padded backrest, which is removable, and notice 4 additional rod holders here, up facing, keep the rods out of the way. 4 additional cup holders here. Moving forward, we have 2 separate boxes, a nice insulated box, or actually 2 insulated boxes. You could use one for the anchor, wet items such as ropes, lines, fenders, that sort of thing. And then looking forward, we've got nice hardware, obviously throughout the boat. Boston Whaler does a really good job with stainless steel, above and beyond what's typically required. But hey, give us a call here at MarineMax Fort Myers. We'd love for you to come down and take a look at the boat. Again, John Cernuska, 239-297-4788. Thank you.